I just had my shower replaced by Windows Plus. It's been a very good experience. What I've been impressed with is that they've been quiet, which is kind of interesting. I've had workmen here that have not been. These two have worked so professionally, very easy to work with. They were, when they said they were going to do something, they did it. And they came on time. They've been very respectful to me. They covered the floor in the bedrooms, the carpeting. Their price is right on. I didn't think they were inflating the price on anything, so I was satisfied with that. I sure would recommend them for bathroom remodeling or whatever they need in the bathroom. If my family needs them, if neighbors need them, if friends need them, I definitely will recommend Windows Plus.